Hello everyone, welcome to our Learn Literature, a channel where we explore the fascinating world of literature in a simple word, an exam friendly way. If you are a student of English literature who love to read poems, drama, and novel, then this channel is for you. In this channel, you will find video about the summaries of important literary text, explanation of poem and plays, with along literary theories and criticism, and with exam oriented answer with important question. My aim is to make literature easy to understand. This channel will provide you a new guide in the literature field. I hope you get a vision to know about literature in a different way. If you like this channel, hope if you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn Literature.